We're closely monitoring the developments at SBI Holdings, especially with XRP set to revolutionize cross-border payments in Japan by 2025. Additionally, there's significant ETF news to catch up on, including recent actions by the Fed and the SEC gearing up for ETF approvals. Over the next few weeks and months, we'll be navigating the crypto market's current dip, assessing how much leverage is being wiped out, and estimating what's left to clear before we can metaphorically camp on the moon. Hey there, Moneyside family, your trusted source for all things XRP related. Before we dive, do me a solid, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and toggle on notifications to join our community. And hey, we're rolling out an epic XRP giveaway once we hit 60,000 subscribers. It's easy to throw your hat in the ring with just 3 simple steps. So make sure you do all that. Drop a hashtag Moneyside in the comments to secure your spot. Staying vigilant is crucial, particularly with the increasing number of impersonators lurking in the comments. A word of caution to all our viewers, don't get tricked. We will never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. For any authentic links to our social media or other resources, always refer to the official description below this video. These links are never posted in the comments section, so please avoid engaging with responders there. Stay safe and informed. As XRP holds steady at 62 cents, we're keeping a close eye on the critical support level at 55 cents. Should we see further downward movement, XRP will need to break through its current descending resistance to have any chance of revisiting the 90 cents mark or even the 74 cents level in the near future. However, if XRP can break through to the upside, the next upward move could be substantial. We're all on the lookout for key events and price action on the charts, underscoring the importance of diversification in these times. In a major strategic move, SBI Holdings, Ripple Labs' key partner in Japan, has formed a groundbreaking partnership with Saudi Aramco, the world's second largest company by market capitalization. This collaboration signifies a significant step in SBI's expansion strategy into the Middle East, focusing on digital asset investments and supporting emerging crypto startups. Under this agreement, SBI Holdings and Saudi Aramco aim to establish a new venture in Saudi Arabia, dedicated to fostering the growth of digital assets and related startups. This initiative is in line with SBI's broader strategy to embrace digital transformation within the realm of financial services. The partnership is set to harness Saudi Aramco's substantial market influence and SBI's expertise in digital finance, creating a powerful synergy in the digital sector. One of the key focuses of this partnership is the development of semiconductor factories in Saudi Arabia and Japan, a move that reflects SBI's dedication to diversifying its investment portfolio. This strategic alliance not only strengthens SBI's position in digital finance, but also marks a significant advancement in the digital assets space globally. Another significant development is SBI's partnership with Circle, the company behind the USDC stablecoin. This alliance is a testament to SBI's commitment to modernizing the financial landscape in Japan. The partnership's primary goal is to enhance the utility and adoption of USDC throughout Asia, particularly in terms of facilitating cross-border payments. An important point to note about the future of cross-border payments in Japan is the prediction made by Yoshida Kitao, CEO of SBI Holdings. Back in 2022, Kitao forecasted that by 2025, all banks in Japan will be utilizing XRP. His support for XRP is robust. He views it as a game changer that has the potential to revolutionize global payment systems. SBI's investment in Ripple is substantial, amounting to $100 million, underscoring their belief in the value and utility of XRP. The collaboration between these two companies is focused on promoting the use of XRP both in Japan and globally. While the current price action of XRP may be a source of frustration for many, it's important to keep an eye on the long-term potential. Over the next few years, XRP is poised to become one of the standout performers in the digital currency space. Remember, the information provided here isn't financial advice, but rather for informational purposes. We encourage you to conduct your research, but the future for XRP certainly looks promising. While the Bank of Japan has shown a more cautious approach towards XRP, its interest in exploring digital currencies is undeniable. Recall that in 2021, during the previous bull market, the Bank of Japan initiated a 2-year pilot project to experiment with central bank digital currencies. As these CBDCs begin to roll out, there's a real possibility that Japan's CBDC might become interoperable with XRP. This would enable banks within Japan to use XRP for settling payments both domestically and with international banks. which could be a significant boost for XRP's presence in the Japanese market. Alright guys, let's shift gears and talk about today's video sponsor BNB.Win. This platform offers an incredible staking opportunity where you can earn substantial returns. Check this out. They offer a whopping 333% APR. That's some seriously impressive rates. Their offerings include products from Binance, simple and easy regulations, and the innovative founder of Docs. What's more, BNB.Win is completely in tune with the ecosystem and adheres to regulations, ensuring a secure experience. The annual returns are simply phenomenal at 333%. And here's an exclusive deal for my viewers. Use my special code EXTRA315 during registration, and you'll bump up that rate to 353% instead of 333%. Make sure you grab this opportunity. You'll find the link and the code in the video description. Besides the fixed rate, there's also a chance to win additional rewards. Signing up is a breeze. Just click on Sign In on their platform. Don't forget to enter your email and password. Once you're in, you're all set to stake. Your deposits are straightforward. Just transfer BNB to the provided address. It's all automated, so you'll see the updates in real time. We all remember the impact of the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC on XRP's growth. Despite the legal challenges, XRP experienced considerable growth, largely driven by markets outside the United States, notably Japan, Asia, Saudi Arabia, Dubai, and other regions where XRP continued to be actively traded. This growth occurred even as XRP faced delisting challenges in the US, such as being removed from Coinbase. We're now at a pivotal moment, awaiting the final announcement regarding Ripple's settlement with the SEC. It's a moment that could potentially redefine the future trajectory of XRP. The legal resolution is anticipated to have a significant impact, especially considering how XRP's growth in the past was bolstered by support from countries beyond the United States. The anticipation for XRP's next big move is high, and the key is to be prepared for it. From my perspective, I'm not engaging in day trading with XRP. My approach is more about holding on to XRP for the long term. I'm focused on building generational wealth over the years, not just seeking short-term profits from day trading. This strategy is about patience and vision, and it involves diversifying my investments, including passive income streams from other projects that I believe in. Speaking of diversification and strategic investments, let's talk about BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. Recently, they have made significant changes to their proposal for a spot Bitcoin ETF. What's noteworthy is the adjustment in the structure to allow authorized participants, or APs, to create new shares in the fund using cash instead of exclusively using cryptocurrencies. This is a game changer, especially for banks that are currently restricted from holding cryptocurrencies directly. BlackRock's recent amendment enabling APs, who play a crucial role in the ETF ecosystem, to use cash for creating new fund shares is a major development. This move is particularly significant considering the current regulations that prevent US banks from holding Bitcoin themselves. It essentially opens a new gateway for traditional financial institutions to participate in the crypto market indirectly, paving the way for greater integration of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and potentially XRP into the mainstream financial world. It's fascinating to observe how influential figures in finance, CEOs of major companies and banks, often lead public opinion in one direction while strategically maneuvering in another. This discrepancy between what they say and what they do is a tactic to divert attention, allowing them to accumulate substantial holdings in cryptocurrencies at optimal prices. Whether they're investing directly or through subsidiaries in ventures like Bitcoin mining, it's clear that crypto is where the elite are focusing their financial strategies. They aim to gather as much as they can at the best possible prices, even if it means using fear tactics to shake less confident investors out of the market. For instance, while some might publicly criticize cryptocurrencies, calling them illegal or likening them to rat poison, there's a different narrative unfolding on official platforms like investor.gov from the US Securities and Exchange Commission. This site lists crypto assets and provides educational resources, gearing up the public for when ETFs are finally approved. The window for the approval of these ETFs is rapidly approaching, with significant developments expected in less than a month. Bitwise Asset Management recently had its spot Bitcoin ETF under the ticker BITB, listed on the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation. They're following in the footsteps of Fidelity, whose spot Bitcoin ETF was listed just last week. While approval for a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US is still pending, Matt Hogan, Chief Investment Officer at Bitwise, expressed optimism and readiness for an impending launch, mentioning preparations in marketing, sales strategies, press relations, and regulatory discussions. In tandem with these developments, Google is set to allow paid advertising for crypto, play-to-earn gaming, and blockchain projects at the end of January. This move will likely trigger a surge in investment and public awareness as companies pour millions into advertising, attracting retail investors into the crypto space. The race for the spot Bitcoin ETF is intensifying. Bloomberg analysts estimate a 90% chance of the SEC approving a Bitcoin ETF before January 10th. On another front, the Federal Reserve, in its latest FOMC statement, announced the decision to hold the rate steady for this month's meeting, aligning with market expectations. This stability from the Fed, combined with the impending ETF approvals and increasing public awareness, sets the stage for a potentially explosive period in the crypto market. Please remember, I am not a licensed financial advisor. The content presented in these videos is purely for entertainment purposes. I always encourage viewers to conduct their own research and consult with professionals before making any financial decisions. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure you turn on the notifications to be the first to know when I release new content. I'm excited to catch up with you in the upcoming video. Take care.